What's up, guys? Today, we are doing a little challenge. So we're gonna be playing Truth or Dare, but first, before we do that, we're gonna do a little challenge. But we have a special guest. What's your name?
Anomaly.
Anomaly. That's his name right there. So let's get into it. So we're gonna pick a color for each other, and we're gonna have to make it all the way to stage 5, like without touching that color. All right, so white. You can't touch white.
Gray.
Gray. Okay, bet. All right, let's go. Uh-oh.
Oh.
That was black, guys. That was black. What am I doing? What am I doing? Wait, that's not gray. That's not gray.
Yeah, this is. Here's the more gray. I kind of made it impossible for you.
Flip. You can't touch white, remember?
Yes. Oh,
Wait,
God.
this is white. I just flip.
Oh, sorry.
Flip.
Where it broke up? Oh, right there. Oh my God, you were so close.
Wait.
Where'd he go?
No.
This
Alright.
is impossible for you. Of course.
No, I'm a ninja though. I'm a ninja.
Whoa.
Right here. Right here. Right here. Woo. Right here. And then right here. 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 And I made it to stage 5. Let's go. So we're gonna play Truth or Dare now. Get what I picked Dare.
I dare you to,
What's Dare? What's the Dare?
blow up yourself.
Blow up myself.
It's really hard because
I blew up myself. Okay. Truth or Dare?
Okay. Dare.
Alright, I dare you to go run all the way over there using the brain matter. Hold on.
What's
I might not have it. Okay, just cut. Okay, I don't have any brain matter, so you're gonna have to walk all the way all the way over there holding these. But you can't touch them together. If you blow up, you lose. And you have to run really fast. So you blew up.
Yeah, I kind of blew up.
Alright, I picked Dare again.
Ooh. I got a good idea.
No, what?
Where is it? I don't see on there. Okay.
What is it? What was it? What the hell? Sorry, guys.
I dare you.
Wait, what if I throw it in my stash? Okay.
I dare you to run all the way to the other side and come back with me.
Okay. Okay, yes. And now I gotta go back.
I thought it would only like mostly stick. Like yeah,
Flip.
it's supposed to stick, but it's not sticking good.
Flip.
Lit up good.
Oh, I made it. Get that out. Truth through there.
Yeah. Truth.
Alright, what's the most embarrassing thing that ever happened to you? Let's go.
Probably wearing a random tail and stuff.
Oh yeah.
It's so awkward.
Oh my